Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchi Tech, and today I have another case unboxing for you guys from Spigen. Okay, but before I get into this video, a little rundown on my channel here. I do have different tech videos, but mostly unboxing with phone cases and accessories for like the Apple Watch and iPhones. I don't have much. I pretty much do the unboxing and cases for the iPhones for now, since that's the device that I'm using. The current device I have is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this case from Spigen is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see here. So this case we're gonna unbox today. This case, as I mentioned before, is from Spigen, and this is the iPhone for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this is the case here, and it's the ultra hybrid mag case. So it's an ultra hybrid case. This is the transparent case here, the clear case, but it does have support for MagSafe. Okay, so that's it. It says white. So white doesn't mean that's the color of the case, it's the color of the magnet strip. Okay, so they have the graphite, depending on the color, your color preference, you could get a different color for the magnetic strip right here on the back. Okay, but I chose the white one. So let's go ahead now. We're gonna unbox this, take a look at it, and this is what it looks like in the package. Let's take this out, see what we have here. Get all these are the regular stuff that comes in the packages. This shows you kind of how to highlighting the magnet here, step 1, step 2, which is pretty much like common sense stuff. So let's just put that aside for now, get this out of the way, and we're gonna focus on this case here. So this is the case we have here, the ultra hybrid mag case. All right, and looks just like the regular ultra hybrid, except it has the MagSafe strip here at the back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the film from this so we get a better look, because that does, with all these writing in here, does confuse the case a little bit. So let me strip this off as well. It does have another film right here inside the magnetic circle. Let's take that off, and let's peel this off as well. Okay, so now there it is. Now we have a better look at the case. Looks really nice and clean, and it does, in the description it says it does have anti-yellowing coating on here. So I'm not sure how good that is on this one, but I have the original ultra hybrid case, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for that as well, so you don't want to miss that. Okay, so here it is with the magnetic strip at the back. The power button feels really soft and nice. Same thing with the volume up and down. The volume up and down does feel a little hard, so in my opinion here, but we're gonna see when we install it on the phone. So here it is, nice and clean. Have the little lip on the back here that protects your camera. Yes, so I'm gonna put it on the phone now and see how it looks. Fits really nice and snug. So this is how it looks on the graphite phone. All right, looks really nice, glossy. It does attract fingerprint, but depending on the angle you're holding the phone, you don't really see the fingerprints much, but I can see a lot of fingerprint from here. All right, so let's see how these buttons feel. Wow, it felt a little hard at first before I put it on the phone, but now feels really nice and clicky. Took a screenshot there by mistake, but that's how it is. So that's the volume up and down button. Feels really nice. All right, you have a silent switch cut out here on the side, and your power button here on the right. You got your speaker grill, your charging port open down there at the bottom, and at the top you just have this writing, the air cushion technology here, and the logo here inside here, and the regular Spigen logo here on the left side of the phone case right here. So it does offer good protection. You have the lip here that goes over the phone screen, so if you put your phone face down, you have protection. And also from the back here, if you put it on down on the back, back. It does have a lip here to protect your cameras from getting scratched up or cracked. Okay, and as far as price, this case is gonna run you around $19 on Amazon, and they do have a 5% back coupon where you can apply that and you get 5% discount on your purchase. Okay, so if you like what you're seeing so far, I would definitely appreciate you going ahead and subscribe, turn your notification bell on to get notified for my next upload. All right, and here you can see, if I hold it at this angle, you can see this little notch at the bottom here. It's on all four sides of this case, so if you put it down on the back, the middle of the phone is off the surface. Okay, so that does protect your MagSafe charging spot right there. Okay, and I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can go and purchase this case if you're interested. I'm gonna have the link for the regular mini. I'm gonna have the link for the mini, the regular 13, the 13 Pro, and the 13 Pro Max. All right, so if you're interested in purchasing this case, then you can just go ahead, click on the link and make your purchase. All right, so hope this video helps you out if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, or if you wanted to just see a review before you go ahead and make a purchase. Hope you're satisfied with this unboxing and hope it helps you all. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.